talk about microneedling skin rejuvenation, one of the most powerful treatments we offer here at Beautiful You by Christine to restore smooth, glowing, youthful skin. Microneedling stimulates your skin's natural collagen, elastin production. That means fewer fine lines, improved texture, tighter pores, and an overall brighter, smoother complexion. The way I perform microneedling is different. I customize the depth, speed, and technique based on your skin. Whether you have acne, pigmentation, lines, or uneven texture. This is advanced professional microneedling, not the at-home roller that can damage your skin. We are safe, controlled, and incredibly effective. Most clients see visible results after just one session and even get better over time as your skin rebuilds collagen. So if you're ready for real skin rejuvenation, not just another serum or cream, microneedling is your step.